Joyride. Okay, so I went to Target and got Ryan Trahan's candy in 3 different flavors. This is called Joyride. The first one we're gonna try are the watermelon wedges. I think these are supposed to kind of resemble the Sour Patch Kid watermelon wedges, but they only have about like 4 grams of sugar in them.
And I love sour things.
Yeah.
I absolutely.
And we both love Ryan Trahan, watch him all the time. So let's try it. Try 1. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
That's really good.
Really good. Really chewy. It's really chewy, but it's so good. Overall, I'm gonna give it 8.9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Next, we're gonna try the sour blue raspberry sour strips. I love sour strips, and hopefully these are good.
These are probably gonna be good.
I know he changed the bag so they didn't all stick together. Because I watch his videos a lot. Don't eat it yet.
I'm hungry.
So, let's try them in 3, 2, 1.
It's not sour.
Not that sour, but they're really good.
They're really, really good.
So good. I'm gonna rate this one a 9.5 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
So now we're gonna do the sour pink lemonade, and
So, I love lemonade. My sister knows.
yeah,
My mom and dad know.
he gets lemonade every time we go out to eat. It's kind of crazy, but I'm so excited for these sour strips. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
It's actually insane. They're so good. They taste exactly like lemonade. Exactly. They're the right amount of sour. So, Ryan Trahan, if you're seeing this, leave a comment down below. We love your video so much. And yeah, I'm going to tag Ryan Trahan below. Peace out. Rock on. The video cut off, but bye, guys. But we forgot to give the strawberry lemonade a rating. I say 11 out of 10. What do you say?
1,000 out of 10.
Well, there you have it. Here's the real one. Peace out. Rock on. Bye, guys.